Are you looking for a way to earn extra income? Look no further than GPT, an artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI. This conversational AI platform uses a large language model, LLM, which can generate human-like text and respond to prompts in a natural way. With GPT, you can put your writing skills to work and make money from the comfort of your own home. I'm Zach, and in this video I will show you 7 ways you can start earning money using this great tool. Before getting started, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video so you won't lose new videos. 1. Content writing services good for people with a knack for writing and want to earn good money. Marketing teams are always looking for writers who can deliver high-quality content fast, and GPT can help speed up the writing process so that you can take on more work. 2. Social media management. GPT can also help you manage social media accounts more efficiently. You can use GPT to generate social media posts, create captions, and even come up with hashtags. This can save you a lot of time and help you manage multiple accounts more effectively. 3. Blog posts. Another way to make money with GPT is by creating blog posts. You can use GPT to generate ideas for blog posts, write the posts themselves, and even optimize them for search engines. This can be a great way to generate passive income over time. 4. Affiliate marketing. Solopreneurs, small business owners or freelancers can sign up for affiliate programs and promote products using GPT-generated content. Create email marketing campaigns, social media posts, and other promotional content. Then, use it to promote products on Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. 5. Creating custom AI chatbots. With the GPT popularity, the demand for AI chatbots has only increased. Small and medium businesses, institutions, and entrepreneurs want to train the AI on their own custom data and create a personalized AI chatbot. You can make money by learning how to train an AI for specific business needs. There are already many services that will take most of the workload. All what's left for you to do is to customize an AI-driven chatbot to meet the business needs. 6. YouTube videos. GPT can also help you create video scripts for YouTube or other video platforms. You can use it to generate ideas for videos, write the scripts, and even come up with titles and descriptions. This can be a great way to generate income from advertising revenue over time. 7. Creating a website. Another way to monetize with GPT is by creating a website that promotes your products or services. You can use GPT to generate content for your website, including blog posts, product descriptions, and landing pages. By using GPT, you can save time and effort on writing and focus on other aspects of your website, such as design and marketing.